A strong back is the envy of many people and will help you to be able to do many things. You must exercise your back with intensity and regularity in order to develop a strong back. In this video, we will walk you through the steps necessary for building a strong back. Being in good physical condition is not enough. We must also maintain it properly so that it lasts into our old age. Let us take a quick example. If you are a potter, then you must also maintain your strong back to be able to handle the tools and continue doing your craft. Likewise, we all must have our own crafts to do, but if we neglect it, then it can easily destroy our back and body. How to get a strong back? We must insist on exercising at least 2 times a week to strengthen our back. You can either exercise your back by yourself or with the help of a friend or a trainer. And when you exercise together, it will be very effective for both of you when one of you is weak. The following exercises can be done at home or in the gym. 1. Bending your back forward. This is the first exercise to strengthen the back. Stand straight and look straight. Bending down forward, hold a stick by both hands, bend down as far as you can without bending to the sides or leaning forwards. Then go up till your back is straight standing. Repeat this process 20 times. This will make your back stronger than before when you were just standing straight and looking straight. 2. Squat. You need to have a good squatting position by placing your feet wide apart so that your thighs are kept parallel with the floor. This exercise is made more effective when you can also roll slowly backwards while doing so. This exercise is an excellent one for building up your back muscles. 3. Bending your back backwards. This exercise can be done in 2 ways. Either stand with your back straight looking upward or bend down forward till your back is straight and looking forward. Then go up again till you are standing straight and looking straight. Bending down backwards is performed by squatting, while bending up again holding the hips and buttocks hard against each other. Repeat 10 times. 4. One arm hand bending backwards. Stand straight looking ahead. Bend forward with one hand arm as far as possible. Without bending sideways or backwards, then go back up again to stand straight looking ahead. Repeat 10 times. 5. Walking. Walking strengthens the muscles, tendons, and ligaments in your feet and legs. It also helps to develop the leg muscles, which most people have weak leg muscles. Walking is one exercise which is neglected by a majority of people. Walking helps to keep your body fit, healthy, and strong. It helps in preventing disease, which are related to weak muscles and joints, both. It also strengthens your heart as a pumping machine, because when you walk uphill or fast walking, your heart pumps more blood than it normally would. With that, you'll get a really strong back. Hope you liked it and are going to try those exercises. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.